we here at the racetrack. A little bit day of drifting, you know what I'm saying? It's we trying to get in for the free ski, I ain't gonna lie, because you know, we ain't got no money like that. But got some sexy cars in the parking lot. Too bad they not drifting, unfortunately. But we got all the cars lined up over there. Okay, he's nutting already over a vehicle that's not even started. Oh my god, what are we doing here? We're doing the 5-way tandem. Is very crazy. Little 350Z action. Shit, I gotta get my Z back. I ain't gonna lie, guys. Oh my god, they're doing go-karts over here, drifting over here. Which one's better? The heck? Obviously. Oh man, imagine that. They're about to do a big ass train, buddy. And I don't know, we might go go-karting, I ain't gonna lie. Shit looks low-key fun. Oh my god. Big entry is very oh, and the dirt we go. Choo-choo, motherfuckers. That is very crazy. This bitch is sexy as fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's so much action here. What the hell? My goodness. That bitch sexy. Oh my god. They're going crazy. Bro, I gotta get my car out here, bro. I gotta get that shit fixed. I definitely gotta do this shit. That's the money right there, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my god. Yo, all these cars is so sexy, bro. Oh my goodness. That's fire. That's fire. Holy.
That's what Hunter wanna do, but it's too late. Look at that.
That bitch is sexy, oh my god. They're still going crazy over here. Now this bitch is hard. This is the Chase Bay's car. This shit is fire, dude. Dude, that is so fire. This thing's sick. Yeah, I definitely want to. I would definitely slide a BRZ like this. This shit's fire. Oh my god, bro. This shit is so fast. Yes, bro. God dang. Damn, dude, I need to get me a car. I need to get my car ready. This shit is too far. I want to get a ride along, but I don't know if it's gonna happen or not. Everything here is so fucking fire. They're going crazy. Right-hand drive? I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna have to get. I'm gonna have to get a daily or something because I might have to fully commit to this drift shit. So, let me know what daily I should get. Sounds so fucking nutty. There's white stuff coming out of me right now. Holy, holy. Oh my god. What do I have to do to get a ride along in that guy's car?